Hi everybody, this is an installation of the laptop screen replacement screen. As you can see, my husband broke the screen by sitting on it. Great idea. But right now I'm going to show you how it's so easy to change it. I'm going to take the screws out, the last screw actually, of the laptop, and there's 4 screws about this size that you take out. Set them to the side with a little screwdriver like this. Is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you have to click it, take it apart. Be careful not to mess up if you have a video camera. Be very careful. It's just a frame around it. And it's at the bottom also. Now this is the tricky part. Opening it up. You can bend it back as much as possible. And you can take your screwdriver and lift up this part of the laptop. And it comes off. Set it aside. Now for this part we need to turn off the computer by holding down the on button, and it goes off. Now what we're going to do is pick up the screen, there are screws on the side of this right here you have to take out before you, same screws but don't mix them up. It's a brace holding the screen in place. Just be very careful taking it out because you don't want to lose any of the screws. And there's one up here. And they're about this small. Hope you can see that. I'm going to leave that to the side. We're going to take the other ones out. We're going to make sure they don't fall just on the table and put them all together. There's 2 more on the side, on the other side, that you have to remove before you take the actual screen out. Sorry about the air conditioning. Other screw. And there's one more. You have to be very careful now. And your laptop, the glass should be able to be lifted up and out. But now be very careful because you have a tape that's back here that you have to reattach this. This is the tape. This is the brain of everything. You have to take the tape off very gently. Actually, you don't even have to. You can take this part out of the motherboard. It's very tricky actually. You're taking this tape. There's going to be a tape in the back, and you take that off. You sit this to the side. This is where you're going to have to remove this very gently This is what sends everything to your screen from your motherboard of your laptop. It slides out very easily, like that. And you're removing the broken screen. Now we're going to replace it with the new one. We just got it from laptopscreen.com. And this is your new laptop screen. Everything that you just saw is at the bottom. These are your numbers that you should look for to add to your laptop. Now there is a plastic on the outside of the laptop that you should remove. It comes off very easily. Remove your paper, set it aside. You're ready to install your new screen. The same piece that we took off from here before will go back into that slot. It's going to slide in. You should hear it click a little bit. Now before putting back in, you just want to see if your laptop is working. If the screen is working. You press down on the on button, and as you see, it's working. It comes back on, and it's coming on. Now we want to start to put it back exactly the way we put it in. Make sure this is set side to the back. We're going to put the tiny little screws we just took out and put that back in to the brace that we had before. Be very careful because these screws are very tiny. You want to make sure all the braces are together. Another screw.